Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tech tutorial we are going to learn the second problem of projection of line. I am reading the problem statement for you. A line BC 100 mm long is perpendicular to HP, that is perpendicular to HP, and 75 mm in front of VP. So draw the projection. So as usual, what we are going to do, we are going to draw one reference line, right, XY. So just give the naming. So these steps you have to repeat every time, right? So it will be easy for you to locate the HP, VP and all. So rotation angle. So this is my X, this is my Y, that is reference line. This is my this is my VP. In VP I am always drawing front view. This is my HP. HP always I am drawing top. And here I am writing my name. Now, so here you can write down your name as requested, roll number and section. Okay. Now, so line BC 100 mm long is perpendicular to HP. Perpendicular to HP means its front view will be on the VP, which is 100 mm long, right, and will be on the XY line, right? So I'm drawing one line. Okay. So I'm drawing one projector line. Okay. So line BC 100 mm long. So BC 100 mm long. So either you can write down B here and C here. Perpendicular to HP. Perpendicular to HP means its projections will be starting from the XY reference line. So I am selecting a point, right? So here it is the first point, right? And 100 mm long. So BC. So this is first unit. This is second spacing, third spacing, and this is fourth spacing, right? I hope it's going to 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So this is BC, and in the top view it will be, I am getting the point, right? Because in the perpendicular direction, if you see from the top view, the line will be looking as a point, right? Which is 75 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means 75 mm below XY line, right? So 75 mm. So here 1 point, 1 space, second spacing, third spacing. So here I am getting the top view, right? So once I am renaming it, it will be very easy for you to locate, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just clicking on the line basically. Okay, so I'm writing down, just escape. Okay, so I'm drawing one line. Okay, so this is my line. Yes. So if it is not able to, if you are not able to locate the lines, what you can do, you can first convert the line into projector line. Okay. Okay, now what, see, this is in the projection color, right? So you can join this particular two points. Okay, so now you can see this is in white color, right? So now you can give the writing this text, the text, your starting from here, right? Spacing 0.2 and position angle 0. So in the front view you will be getting V dash here, right, and it will be point C dash, right? So we see which is perpendicular to HP means its front view will be in the VP, right? And this point is basically, you know, B comma C, right? Because this is the particular point. So now for your understanding, let us give the dimensions. Okay, just press escape, give the dimensions. Okay, see, I'm clicking here and clicking here. So this is basically 100 mm line. Okay, and further I'm going in the dimensions. I'm clicking here, this particular point, this particular point. So this is basically 75 mm to XY, right? So always you have to convert this particular dimensions into CR. So now you can see. So this is the solution for a line BC 100 mm long is perpendicular to HP and 75 mm in front of VP. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.